Recording.
Okay, I'm going to share my screen for Chrome River. Okay, can you see my screen?
Just hold on. I think it's still loading.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. All right. Okay. So first things first. I mean, I'm gonna follow the guide that we sent out. Okay. So
Okay.
so we're gonna check that the credit card items that we want to like clean up is are there, right? So go ahead and click those two credit card items under
Okay.
e-wallet. You're under Eva Gutierrez right now.
Okay.
So
Did.
okay. So you click. So you're under credit card. So we know for a fact that $1,199 that was already submitted, but this credit card transaction was not linked to the expense claim, right?
Right.
Okay, all right. So now now we're gonna create the expense claim for this. It's just gonna be a $0 expense claim, and we're gonna link it. Okay. So go
Okay.
ahead and click create on the expenses on your left side.
Okay. Create.
Create.
All right.
Okay, and then enter your report name. Just put credit card cleanup.
Credit card clean up. Okay.
Okay, and then your start and end date. Okay, note that like your start and end date should be in that range for whatever you're cleaning up. So I believe that credit card transaction was what, October?
These
That 1199.
well, the travel was October 28th, but I'm not sure what date the credit card was charged.
Okay, well, I mean, let me see. I can check really quick.
Okay.
So looks like that was back in October 28th. Okay,
Well, October.
yeah. So if
Okay.
you want, since this is a credit card cleanup process, so if you have multiple credit card transactions, you can use
Mhm.
a wider range of start and end dates. So in this
Okay.
case, for example, you have like a credit card that you need to attach back in August, and then you have in October. So you can use a start date of August 1st, and then an end date of October 31st, something like that. But in this case, you can just do an October 1st to October 31st.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't see, unfortunately, when the credit card was charged. So we'll do October 1st. Now she may have done the transaction before that.
Yes.
So will that be a problem?
No, no, no. I mean, like I said, like this claim has already been submitted, but the problem is this credit card transaction has not been linked to that expense claim. So we're just cleaning up. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right. So your business purpose, you wanna put in your um whatever this expense claim is. So do you remember? I mean, do you remember? Let me see.
I think
I'll give it to you.
on the notes that she said, this credit card cleanup was also the business purpose.
Yeah. So if you want, you okay. So the what you want to put there though is, let me see. I'm following.
The Crisis Prevention Institute, maybe?
Yes, yeah, and then you want to reference the expense claim that has been originally submitted. So in this
Okay.
case, yeah, so if you want, you can put in yeah, like the CPI training, and then
Okay.
put in expense claim. I'll give you the number. You can just like type it
Oh,
in.
okay. One thing first. I believe on the instructions, it says to put credit card expense. Let's see. It said credit card transactions cleanup for expense report and then put the number.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, yeah. So,
Okay, so
sorry
I'm going to
about
put
that. Yeah.
that. That's okay. Credit card transaction cleanup. Whoops. Maybe it doesn't have enough room. Hold on. oops, sorry. Credit card transaction cleanup for expense number, I think, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or I don't need to put number. I can just put expense report and then the number 0100-2428-9897. Okay. So I put credit card transaction cleanup for expense report, and then I put the number.
Yes, yeah, that is right. And then your report type will be general travel.
No, this is Head Start travel.
Oh, that's Head Start, sorry.
Right, this is Head Start, so Head Start travel. Okay. So I have credit card cleanup, October 1st, October 31st, and then the business purpose, and then Head Start travel.
Okay, yes.
Is that correct?
Just double check. Yes, since you're in Head Start. Okay, so go ahead and click Save.
Click Save, okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so now it opens up that window.
Right.
It's showing all your e-wallet items. So in this case, you see how you have a question mark on that 1199?
Yes.
Okay, what you can do is like to take care of this right away, click that question mark.
Okay, clicking.
And then assign a specific expense for that, which is going to be professional development.
Okay, professional development.
And then it's going to be a conference seminar.
I believe I listed theirs as training and education.
Okay, that's fine.
So I will, because that matches with the original.
Okay.
Okay, so I click that.
Okay, so notice that it becomes, where's it at? Go, maybe it's like down. Click credit card, Julie.
It
Where,
didn't change.
You know how it says all right now? Go click credit card.
Okay. There
Okay,
it is.
there you go. Yeah. Okay.
Right.
So now that has been assigned as a training tile, right?
Right.
Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do is like you're gonna choose the credit card. Let me see. Okay. Click the box and then it will add a check mark.
Okay.
Okay, and then click add.
Okay, clicked add. All right, now it says training and education.
Okay, there you go. And then
the business purpose showed up.
Yep, there you go. And then for description, if you want, you can just like type in like the same thing. If you want, just copy the whole thing.
I'm gonna copy it and paste the same thing.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Company paid is checked.
Company, and then your allocation, make sure that is like use the right account.
Okay, so I got to put that in again.
Okay. Is this only a single account, Julie?
Yes, thank goodness.
Okay, so you see like you don't have to type in the whole thing. Now it's like giving you options.
Yeah, I'm looking for it right now. So I think it's the first one here, 6232.
Okay, so just go ahead and click that.
Yeah, that's inclusive. That is correct.
Okay, and then you want to do your attachments. So click add attachments.
Okay.
Okay, and then if you want to upload the attachments, do you have it like in your desktop right now?
I have them in my, I have the original documents that were signed.
Okay.
The travel pre-approval, it's on my server, so I gotta scroll through to get it. Okay, let me find the one for Eva. Let's see. Oh, I don't know. Do I travel, the original travel expense claim is what I should be
Or any
attaching, right?
any supporting documents, yes. Like I said, this is a cleanup process, yeah.
All right, so I'm going to put in the travel expense report, which is the original one that was e-signed.
Okay, all right, so go ahead and
I'm going to add that in because that has everything that was put in the pre-approval.
Okay.
So I'm adding that now. It's taking a moment.
Okay, so do you want to add
Okay.
more attachments, or you're okay with that one?
Well, the travel pre-approval would be exactly the same, except this one has all the signatures.
Yes, yes.
So
Okay.
they would just be putting double work in. So this should
Okay.
be okay.
Yes. Okay. All right. So the company box is automatically checked, right? The
Right,
company paid. Okay. All
right.
right. So we're almost done. So just go ahead and click save.
Okay. Now it
Okay.
says expense is over 90 days old, so there was something I needed to put in
Yes,
there.
yes. So as per the and most of the users gonna probably gonna have this error because we're talking about September, all the maybe August.
Right.
Uh, yeah.
So
So
I put in there credit, I just copy and pasted the same thing, credit card transaction cleanup
that is
for
fine.
expense report and that number.
That is fine. Yes, and then click post.
Okay, I believe that's what it says on the instructions to do.
Yeah. So
Okay,
notice that the warning sign disappears from like that red triangle. Now it's a green check mark on your left. You see on your left.
yes.
Okay, so now you're pretty much done. So you can click submit.
Well, for Head Start, we have to have everything e-signed.
Okay, in this case for you, you're gonna save this as a draft, right?
I'm going to PDF it
And then attach it once again, right?
and send and reattach it with the e-signatures. Yes.
Okay, all right, okay. So I mean that is your internal process, but as far as like other users are concerned, like for if they don't have that internal process, this is where it pretty much you're done. Like you click
Right.
submit, yeah. So this is gonna stay in your draft. So go ahead and click back or Chrome River again, or that left arrow if you want.
Right. So I need to PDF it and send it out e-signature for my internal
Yes,
procedures.
yeah. So you know that process, right?
Right.
Okay, all right. So that's pretty much like the credit card cleanup process, Julie.
Okay. Well, that is pretty easy. So now I
Okay.
can just go ahead and the only thing is now they're going to get, I'm wondering if I should put the person's name
Mm-hmm.
in addition to credit card cleanup, because I'm going to have a bunch to do. And if I keep sending them internally to everyone, they're not going
Oh,
to
okay.
know who they all are for. So maybe I may just add that to
Okay.
my
Yeah.
particular documents.
Yes. Yeah. I mean that will be your I mean that will be your process. But there's like
Right.
some staff members, they probably only have like one or two, but it looks like you're handling a lot of staff members, so you might want to do it just for your own internal process. Okay.
Right. I will do that. Thank you, Joseph. That was very easy. If I have any
Right.
other questions, I will let you know.
Yes. Okay. So keep in mind this is really easy because this is really easy because there's only like a one line, one credit card transaction. If there's like multiple lines, so you're gonna check like multiple credit card transactions, okay?
Right.
And then you're gonna be doing it one by one, and just like follow that procedure, and you'll be all right. If you have any questions,
Okay.
just like give me a call.
Well, there's one more question I had.
Okay.
In that procedure, there was another step. I think, did we already do the step where you clicked e-wallet first?
Yes. Yeah, I mean like
Okay.
that was like the very start. Like, like you
Okay.
want to you want to check what credit card transactions you want to attach. So,
Okay.
you kind of like before actually like doing this, you want to like kind of like check what was submitted and what credit card transactions are actually omitted before you actually
Okay.
do this process. Yeah. So, you might have to like write down the expense report. That way, when you put it in the description, that business purpose, you can like reference right away instead of like going back and forth.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
I think I will follow those directions and I will contact you if I have any further questions.
All right. See, that wasn't that bad, Julie, right?
That was very simple. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You have a good one. All right.
You too. Bye-bye.